my grip. Okay, so again, we talked about push Carl away from me. Jiu-jitsu is all about push-pull. And when I push him away and I feel his weight driving back, I'm taking this foot to the far hip, making my grips, and loading the weight onto me, which is what I want for the sweep. But maybe as I take him onto me, watch what when I load Carl's weight onto me, see the way his butt comes off his heels? Right? But sometimes when he sits back and postures back, and his butt is actually on his heels, so you're never going to get this sweep. But there's a massive space opens here. Okay? So from this position, if I try to hit the sweep, and he's posturing up, I'm going to roll underneath of the omoplata. So from this position, I'm going to shrimp out a little bit. Okay? My right toe goes on the mat. My right hand lets go of the pants, and the back of my hand, okay, goes to the outside of the knee. Okay? So from there, I use my right foot, okay, to put me up on my right shoulder as I spin through the space. Now, if I don't control this leg, Carl's two main escape from the cartwheel over to that side. It's not back. Or he can turn on the side to face me, and he's out of the submission. Okay? So one grip will shut down. So this is the details from the sole. Okay, so when I go for the sole bar here, this knee has to come out to the side, make the grip, push Carl away, rise back into me. I'm going to hit that sweep. Make my hand grip, and he'll try to load the weight on me, but then he decides to back off. And if I see he's sitting on his heels and there's a space here, this is when I'm going to go for this move. So from this position, my right foot that was in this hip, with the ball of the fall on the mat, and I shrimp out a little bit to create space for me to roll through. My right hand lets go of the pants, and the back of my hand comes to the outside. Now I can't make a grip from here until I Granby roll through the space. From this position, I use this foot to get me all the way up on my shoulder, and when I come through the space, now I can make that grip. The hand was already there, I just make the grip. So from there, if Carl tries to hop over to do his cartwheel escape, it's not going to happen. If he tries to put his shoulder on the mat, it's not going to happen. This grip here stops everything. So, first thing is, I want to get his shoulder on the mat. So if I've made my triangle, I uncross and I just straighten my legs and leg press to get his shoulder on the mat. If he knows jiu-jitsu, he'll stay on his knees. Shit, Carl knows jiu-jitsu. So from that position, okay, once I get his shoulder on the mat, I'm going to switch my hand position. So the right hand lets go, grabs here, immediately I'm sitting up, grab the now. I have this over here. And I have him here. Here and here, so I'm straightening my legs forward. Now I need to get him on his knees, the easiest way to scoop my hips, but I need my hand for that, and I don't want this hand coming out. So from there, I'm going to turn my hip. So my lat is pinning Carl's wrist to his own body. Now I put my hand on the mat, and I'm going to turn my body anti-clockwise. I keep shrimping in a circle. Once I get Carl's hip on the mat, okay, from here, legs curl back, you have this underhook going towards the shoulder. Sometimes you get really flexible people and you have to go very high to get this. So if I go diagonally towards the far shoulder, it's on the shoulder, or if I go straight forward this way, it's on the elbow. Sleep control, feet on the hips, and shrimp on my right side, put into the sole. Maybe as I bring this foot and Carl's trying to pass, so I try to load the weight on him, but if I feel him backing off and his butt is on his heels, I want to create this space. So from here, my right foot goes on the mat, and I'll shrimp out a little bit. Okay, it depends on your body size. Obviously, if you're bigger, you need to make a little bit more space. So my right hand lets go, and it just comes to the outside, so the back of my hand, it hasn't made a grip yet. When I spin to that side, it will make the grip. So I use this foot, that's the detail. It gets me right up on my shoulder. So when I spin through the space, I have my grip here and here. Okay? So first thing is, I straighten my legs to get a shoulder on the mat. Okay? Secondly, now I need to come up. So I switch grips. So my right hand immediately, as I come straight up, and I find that underhook. Again, Carl's going to stay on his knees, shoulders on the mat, which is what I want. So now I pin this to my body, and I turn to face him. So Carl can't pull his hand out until I put my right hand on the mat. And now I'm just going to turn my body in a circle. Okay, this way. Once I get his shoulder on the mat, or his knee, his hip on the mat, feet come back, find the underhook, sit forward. One more time. Sleep control, feet and hips, into the sole. Foot comes across, maybe try to project the weight. Okay, he's backing off. So hand comes to here. Create that space. I want to get right up on the shoulder as I spin and make this switch everything. Leg press, switch grips, sit up. Again, I don't want to make a triangle here. A lot of people make this triangle. Car's just posturing. Whoa, I've lost that position. So the second I get down, I'm here. Okay, so I want to make sure my head is forward and my legs are forward. So if Car tries to sit up now, it's not going to happen. Okay, if I'm back here making a triangle, so here with my head forward. Okay, from there, I want to make sure that I turn my body, trap. So my lad puts his wrist to his own body, frees up my right hand. So I just turn in a circle. Get a sit on the mat. Curl my feet back to S-mount. And then I can either go towards the far shoulder or come this way. It's more on the end. So that's our omoplata, guys.